This Faceless Finance channel is pulling crazy money every single month just by posting simple money videos, clean visuals and a calm voice. Now personally, I used AI to grow my Faceless channel to over 100 million views in total. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start a channel like this. Step 1, pick a real channel name. You don't want a weird brand name that looks like a bot. Instead, you want a name that looks like a real person running the channel. Best format is first name plus invest, finance or money. For example, that can be Sergio Invest or Nick Finance or Sergio Finance. If you don't want to use your real name, you can go with something like Money Lab or Simple Finance Lab, but usually using your real name plus finance feels more real. Step 2, create the face of the channel. Although you are going faceless, you still need to have a recognizable character that is going to stay consistent across the channel. For that, I'm going to use Higgsfield. You can use any other program. For example, you can use Google Gemini because it's free, but just upload your reference image and use Nano Banana Pro as your image model. Here's our character, and I went for the pink t-shirt on purpose because that is going to make him stand out a bit more. Step 3, get winning video ideas. Most beginners do the lazy way. They just copy the titles and they make weaker versions. That usually doesn't work because the original channel already owns the core idea. You need to come up with something new. And to do that, go to his channel and start copying videos that were no older than 1 month. Copy every single title, go to GPT and paste those titles. And tell it, analyze the video ideas from this channel and take out the videos that have the highest amount of views, then give me 20 new video ideas that match the same audience but are fresh and different. Now you get 20 video ideas and pick 3 of them that you can talk about without sounding fake. Step 4, writing the scripts, and this is also the part where people get stuck because they either copy the original script or they just make weaker versions. You don't need any of that. You can use Claude AI or any other tool that writes well. Just give it a clear structure, paste this prompt and paste your title. The rules are very simple English, explain like I'm 5 years old, no complex words, keep it calm and confident. And if your script comes out too short, don't restart, just expand that part. Highlight that part and tell it to expand that part by 500 words, for example. Step 5 is the voiceover. When it comes to that, make sure that your voice matches your script. You don't want to have a voice that sounds too young or a voice that sounds too old. Pick something in the middle. For the voiceover, I'm using Gen AI Pro because it's the cheapest option out there right now. Step 6, creating the visuals. This is the only reason why this channel looks high quality, although in reality it's not high quality at all. They just have a clear character that matches the scene, and you'll do the same, your character plus the scene. Upload the reference image, paste your prompt, and now show him pointing at a simple chart. For video animation, I'm using Kling and Higgsfield. This is the first frame. Prompt is flexing the cache, slow zoom in. Generate from 5 to 10 clips per video and don't use long prompts, use simple words. And the final step is to edit everything in CapCut. Add your voiceover and add your clips. Also add auto captions and keep them clean and simple. The most important part is that you don't need to have a million views on a channel like this. You can have a channel like this, you can have 5,000 views, but if you have a clear offer, for example, a course on investing or a school community, you will make much more money. And if you want to learn more about YouTube automation, you can join my Discord server. The link is down in the comments.